afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Liverpool Road with this fabulous chain-free 2-bedroom terrace property. So as you can see, you've got a small gated garden to the front. As we enter in through the entrance hallway, it's beautifully varnished wooden flooring throughout the front and second reception room. So we've come straight into the dining area, got a lovely bay-fronted lounge, stunning high ceilings throughout, and it's beautifully bright throughout the whole of the property. Potential here to keep the two reception rooms open, as you can see, or shut them off completely and add in another door straight into the lounge, and you do also have storage beneath the stairs. And then we'll continue on to this beautiful country style kitchen dining space. So we've got that ceramic sink, shaker style cabinets, this fabulous 8-ring gas range hob, boiler just tucked away in the cupboard which has been regularly serviced, and you've got space there for the washing machine, the dishwasher, fridge freezer, along with space to create a dining area. And as we continue out into the rear garden, which does benefit from the sun throughout the day, this lovely low maintenance paved garden, along with the artificial lawn just to the rear, making a lovely seating area. You do get pops of colour throughout in the summer and spring months, which you can appreciate the size of the garden, which you don't often find with a terrace property. Just behind me then there is double gates, so obviously those with a smaller car can bring the car into the garden, and then you've got single access which then takes you on to further parking just outside here, and your bins can be neatly tucked away. As we head back into the property, you've got two fabulous double bedrooms along with a spacious 3-piece timeless white bathroom suite. Got excellent storage in there. Is also the potential to add in a shower and create a 4-piece bathroom suite. Now, as I mentioned, we're on Liverpool Road, which is excellently located in regards to transport links. So you've got your motorway links just a stone's throw from where we are. Bus routes into Eccles, Salford, the Trafford Centre, Earlham and Warrington. And then you are surrounded by local shops, schools, and our lovely playing field not too far from here. So as I mentioned, you've got this fabulous sized bathroom, shower over the tub, 3 pieces currently, excellent storage tucked around just behind the doors there. It does offer the potential to add in a shower cubicle. And then this is the smallest of the 2 double bedrooms. Lovely and bright once again, and this one overlooks the rear garden. And then lastly, heading down the landing into this spacious master bedroom, beautifully and bright, plenty of space to navigate around your king, even a super king, and lovely and bright. So if you are interested in coming and taking a viewing of this fantastic 2-bedroom chain-free terrace property over on Liverpool Road, then please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.